Hello, everyone, and welcome to today webinar. Sunday is a beautiful Sunday here in UK. So today we're gonna go over a really simple strategy on when to take profit and when to enter the market. Okay, I am CF Trading TA. Okay, your host for today. So now here is BTC chart. Okay, so we're talking about Bitcoin. Okay, and we're going to go over how to take profit, when to take profit, because it's a really important part of the market strategy, because you don't want to ride here a wave all the way down to then ride it back down again. You want to take profit along the way so you secure some money and then you can buy the dips like around here, around here, around here. So you want to have liquidity when the market is bottoming out, so you can put some money in and profit from it and take the profit at the top. Obviously, it's almost impossible to catch top and bottom. Okay, it's like winning at the lottery. It's really the probabilities are very low that you catch the bottom. However, with today's strategy, which is very simple, I will help you to try to actually catch as close as possible the bottom and also to catch as close as possible the top, the peak. So what are we going to use? We're going to use a simple chart, Bitcoin chart. I use the B stamp just because it goes back quite far, almost to the inception, 2012. The inception was 2009 of Bitcoin. And we're going to use the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So if you just type on Google Crypto Fear and Greed Index, you will be able to just find it out. With this simple tool, which is amazing, basically what does it do? It just gather data from different sources. In this case, volatility, the market momentum volume, the social media. And they do surveys. Okay, and this time is currently paused, and then they look at dominance. If you want to just know a little bit more how they gather this data, you just read through this part over here, and they will tell you how they do it. Okay, but it's an amazing tool. So basically, what happened in a scale from 0 to 100, it just each day they're basically doing an average of how is the market sentiment. So if there is fear or greed, there is extreme fear and extreme greed. Okay, so usually what happen, extreme greed, when the herd is at a psychological stage where they are really greedy, usually the market is a turning point for the market and there is a reversal and a downtrend. And same is true for the fear. Okay, so when there is extreme fear in the market, so the herd usually is wrong, the crowds are wrong, and there is a reversal underway. Now let's see how it works. So what I want to use, what I usually use, and what I learned to use, I just use basically the area from 70 to 100 as a over, let's say, overbought area. So the greedy part of the chart, and the 20 and below as the oversold. So we have a great opportunity around the areas. Now, let's have a look at the chart and see how it does relate with actually bottom and peaks of Bitcoin. So if we go through the chart, let's have a look at the different time of Bitcoin. So unfortunately, the top we are not able to see because the fear and greed index just go back till February 2018. But now let's starting with the first, let's say, bottom after the peak, which we had the little bounce during the downtrend. Let's see what it was the fear and greed index. So on 5 of February, 5th of February. So let's have a look. The 5th of February, it's here. So the fear and greed index was below 10, one of the lowest point ever. The lowest was and it's not even recording it. I don't know why I just tried even before. It's impossible. So it was one of the lowest point ever, and what did we record? A really long wick pin candle, and then a rally. This one, if you just bought on the sign of this fear and greed index, you would have made probably almost 100% profit. Now let's see the top. Okay, so let's look at the top at this time. So the top was of this bounce was on 19th of February 2018, but you can also use these other two marks. Okay, this one is the weekly chart, so these were the week of the 19th of February. Let's see the top here. So we had the February here, and here we go. 19th of February, we had a reading of 67. Okay, and just let's see, 17th of February. So on the 17th of February, we record extreme greed. Okay, so at this point, when you see this reading, that's when you take profit. Okay, you get extreme greed in your fear and greed index. That means that it's a good time to probably take some profit out of the table. It doesn't mean that you need to take all the profits out, I mean all the position, but it's a good time to take some money out of the market. Now again, let's have a look on the 2nd of April 2018. 2nd of April 2018, so we are here. And as you can see here, the week of the 5th of April, so 4th, here we go, 2nd of April, it was 11. Again, is extreme fear, and look at that, is exactly the bottom before another rally in the bear market. Just bear in mind that this one is a bear market, so it's not the starting of a new bull market. So don't forget that this one is good short term, and it will be able to help you to understand whether it's a good buy opportunity or a sell opportunity. So in this case, but it doesn't tell you whether it's starting a bull market or a bear market. So as you can see here, it was a great opportunity if you were buying on the 5th of April. Nice and a good rally. Again, we got here a good 50% rally. And then let's have a look at the top here, 30th of April. 30th of April, it's over here. Let's see. There we go. We got it for 1 second. Okay, let's say 29 of April. So it was the fear and greed index was 61. So this one was a greedy time. Okay, so it was already greedy time, and this one would have been a good selling opportunity. Again, standing to my terms, I wouldn't have taken profit probably out. Looking just at the crypto fear and greed index, I would have obviously looked at other type of market sign in order to take profit out. So it's not just to take alone this strategy. So, but it's a good strategy to see and understand how you can buy in and take profit out. Now let's have a look at a more extremes. Okay, so if we go here, this one was basically the bottom before the new bull market started, just before this new bull market. So if we look at over here, we have the 17th of December and the 19th of December. This one was the huge candle over here, extreme fear for sure. And then again, another sell off. It was the last sell off before the run. Okay, so the 17th of December. So let's have a look at the 17th of December and the 19th of November. What was it? 2018. So November here. There we go. We got 20, 21, 22. So the week of this week of November, the last one of the last week of November, it was actually 12. So again, it was below our mark of 20, and this one was a buy opportunity. And as you can see here, it would have been a great buy opportunity. You would have bought here, and then look at that. you would have held, and you would have made 3 times your money. Now let's check at the top over here. We got the 24th of June 2019, 24th of June 2019, bam, there we go. So we got basically over 90, one of the highest reading ever on the crypto fear and greed index. So as you can see here, anything above 70, it should be a good time to take profit. Why I say above 70? Because you can't be sure whether it goes to 90 or 100 or whatever. So you need to just try to use some, let's say, statistic and see an average whether actually which one are the value which correspond with the peaks. Now let's have a look at another one. Again, we have a bottoming out process over here in on the 16th of December. So if we look at 16th of December, let me check. 16th of December, it was actually the 19th of December over here, and it was 15. Again, it was below our 20 marks, so it was a great buying opportunity again, and it's amazing. So if you were around here, you would have bought, and again you got 50% run up. Now, how do we know we actually have the exactly the moment? Where is the moment to sell? Okay, to profit. Let's have a look again. 10 of February, the peak, the local peak. 10 of February 2020 was just before our COVID, and it was actually at this area over here. As you can see here, it was over 60, so it wouldn't have been my sell signal again, because we want something above 70. However, this one was an unexpected event, COVID. So again, over there, you would have probably been in the market knowing what was going to happen ish. So you would probably have sold off. Otherwise, you would have held anyway. Now, again, another bottoming process. I'm gonna show you the last one and then one more, and then we're done. So, 9 of March 2020. Let's have a look at the 9 of March 2020. Over here, we have 17, and then we have a couple of weeks where it was basically always really low, so below the 20 mark. And as you can see, this one was a great opportunity, again buy opportunity, and from here we run up 10 pair. You would have made 10 times your money. Now another bottoming peak process. This one was the May, and it was the 60,000 and so. So let's have a look of the May. We have it here, February. So we have February over here, and then March, and this one was April, and then the May over here. Okay, so these one are all above 70, as you can see. So these one are all signs that it was probably time to start taking some profit out of the table. I would have taken profit out of the table around this area over here. So 19th of February, these weeks over there. So the 19th of February is this over here. So if you would have taken 56,000, trust me, it's not a complete peak, but you're quite close. And now let's have a look at the last one. So this new one, okay. So we have the bottoming here on the 21st of June. Let's have a look, 21st of June. There we go. So as you can see, is all below 23rd, 22 of June, 22nd of June was a 10, extreme fear. So again, this one would have been our loading values. And again, you would have taken, you would have buying in at this point over here, and you would have made another almost 80%. Okay, and let's have a look at the last local peak over here. So it was the 23rd of August. Let's have a look. Here we go. Again, just over 70. And this one was again an area where I would have taken some profit out. So this is a really easy strategy where I hope it will help you to basically be more profitable in the market. So just anything below the 20 of your fear and greed index is a good buying opportunity, and anything over 70 is a great selling opportunity. I hope this one will help you guys. If it helps you, just please comment, like, and share this video, and please follow me. It will just help me to grow, and it will help you to stay updated with the market. Have a great Sunday, guys.